Hi guys, this is Unit 2, Lesson 10, Cool Down, Fractions of the Same Size. Number 1, find two fractions that are equivalent to 3/8. Explain or show your reasoning. Right off the bat, I'm noticing it does not say use fraction strips or number lines. It's leaving it wide open, and today we really practiced making a multiplication problem. So, there are many possible answers here. Couple things, it says 2. So make sure you find 2. So 3/8 equals. To do this, I would just start by doubling. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 times 2 is 16. Couple things you can do here. You could double again, right? And get 12 32s, 30 seconds. So this is equivalent, and so is this one. I could have gone back to 3/8 and multiplied them each by 4 to get the same answer, right? 12 32s. I mean, you could have multiplied by an infinite number, like you could have done times 5, times 6. What makes them equivalent is if it is the same number. So, lots of different possible answers. Make sure you gave me 2. Okay, then part 2, this is interesting. It says decide if each of the following fractions are equivalent to 9/4. There is a similar problem to this on your final test. What you need to do is take each fraction and you need to make a math problem. So I'm just going to grab another color. I'm going to start with A, okay? 10/8, and I'm going to set it up, equals 9/4. And if I'm looking, I'm thinking, okay, 8 times what is 4? Well, divided by 2 is 4. So if I divide the bottom by 2, then I need to divide the top by 2. And 10 divided by 2 is not 9/4. So this one is not equivalent. Then I would go to B. 16/10 equals 9/4. And you could flip them around. Some of you guys are afraid of division, and there's nothing to be afraid of. But you could also write it the other way. 4 times what number is 10? If I count by 4s, is 10 a multiple of 4? 4, 8, 12. It's not. Same up here. Is 16 a multiple of 9? It's not. So these two are not equivalent. Do you guys see how I'm taking the time to rewrite each one? 9/4, except do not erase your work. I'm erasing my work because I'm running out of space and I have a digital whiteboard. Okay, 4 times what is 8? 4 times 2. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. 9 times 2, hey, look at that. 9 times 2 is 18. I'm going to circle this one because, yes, it is equivalent. All right, so now we have one more. 9/4. I'm rewriting it every time, and I'm showing my thinking. 4 times, ooh, I know 9 times 3 is 27. What I do to the top, I do to the bottom. 4 times 3 is 12. So D is also equivalent. So make sure you guys actually rewrite each problem. Please do not erase your thinking and make it very clear. If it is equivalent, circle it. If it's not, put a big X through it.